Today's video is going to be an update on a job that we just completed less than a month ago, probably 2 weeks ago. And it's going to show you what happens if you have a water damage and you have waterproof flooring. Because this floor is a brand new floor and it was just flooded.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I cannot believe we are back out here. This is one of my favorite vinyl floors. We just did this a couple weeks ago. This is Naturally Aged Floors Regal Plus Collection. It's an amazing vinyl. But check it out. This is now. This is 2 weeks later. This is just a real shame. It's terrible. I hate situations like this. The apartment above leaked down into the apartment here, and the whole floor was flooded. The client came home and found this. Nobody even told her. Who knows how long the water was even running. There's fans, there's dehumidifiers. The whole floor has been uninstalled. It's taken out. But it's waterproof flooring, right? Why do we have to take it out? Check it out. This is why. There's a vapor barrier, and under the vapor barrier, you get water. Same thing if you have padding, water gets trapped under that as well. When you have a flood, water goes under it. It goes in between the floor, and it cannot dry out because of that vapor barrier. So check it out. This is what we have to do. We have to remove the planks. That's my son here taking them out, and then we can expose it to the air. Look at all that water. It's standing water we're finding under that vapor barrier. If you just leave it like that, it's not going to dry out. It's going to take weeks. You're going to get mold. You're going to get mildew. It's going to smell musky. It's a bad situation. Check out. That's the living room. That's already been taken out. Look how dry this room looks compared to that room we were just in. And you see that wind blowing? That's the fans blowing, circulating air, and those big machines are the dehumidifiers. Those are what's going to suck that rest of that moisture. Anything that gets in the walls, in the baseboard, whatever else that could get wet, they will dry it out. Wow. That is some serious moisture. It seems like they must have had the water on for hours. Who knows? I've never seen that much moisture under a floor in such a small area. But she did the right thing. She called the restoration company. We're taking the floor out. We're able to salvage all the boards. Probably 95% of that floor is going to be saved now. It's just going to dry off. Got moisture on the edges of it, on the back of it. It's just going to dry out, and then we'll be able to reinstall it. Now we're going to lose a few boards here and there that were damaged when we took them out, but that's why we always have extra floor left over, and that's what I always recommend to my clients. So at the end of the day, she did the right thing. She got the company out here. She got us out here. We're getting it dried out, and we'll get it reinstalled. If this were a laminate floor or a wood floor, guess what? All that material would be lost. You wouldn't be able to reinstall laminate that gets wet. Even the laminates that are completely waterproof, a lot of those boards would be damaged just because of the amount of water that she had here. Wood flooring, forget about it. It would be cupping, it'd be swelling, and wouldn't be any good. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out all of our other content. We have lots of great videos on the actual install for this, plus a lot of our other vinyl installs, how-to videos, and much, much more. We also have a PayPal link below. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment to make these videos even better. But YouTube doesn't promote our videos as much as they should, so we need your help. Please like, share, tell your friends and family, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite flooring mallet and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.